And the hand of the Lord will continually be upon me. Amen. My first experience. I'm so shy. Good. It's nice.
Yeah.
Hey, so I look like a baddie. I'm so cute. So cute or whatever. See. Let me see your lashes again. It's pink. It's so beautiful. You're so cute. See Keja, my friend's bridal shower venue. We're here already. Let me tell you something. She already knows I'm here because she heard my voice and she shouted my name. But I'm not going to meet her, but we're waiting. And I'm tired, honestly. I'm very tired and hungry. Is it nice? I'm very tired and hungry. I'm not the bride, I'm the bride's friend. And I am ready to mingle, you guys. I'll be your umbrella. Congratulations. I am in my cousin's place now. Like I said, I was going to come here to just sleep over for the wedding. I didn't sleep at the hotel yesterday after the bridal shower. But now my dress has issues. It was too long when my tailor made it. Now it's too short. And I need to like just look for a tailor around and add maybe a trimmings at the bottom so that it looks manageable, because as it is like this I can't wear it, and if I don't see a tailor I'll wear it like that. It just means it will be a bit too short. That's it. But I'll see you guys when we're at the wedding, or maybe when we're getting dressed, or maybe when we are dressed. Yeah guys. So this is my friend. They've gone to church and we are late. Hi, I have to say hi to my bro. Hi, that's Tolu. Food, no, where I should be. We're not disobedient, bro. And I'm at the point, I just could not buy. Living according to your, I mean, living below your means. 2024, that's the goal.
Of the bride, happy till outside the road.
Merry Christmas. Where's my mic? It's too hard. Yes, now I'm doing it. Every sure I was doing Instagram makes sense. Because that's the thing, everybody has things, especially with Jollof Rice. You literally fry that pepper first. Like this now. You record this, Sha. Good morning. Today is Boxing Day, the day after Christmas. I'm dressed to go home. It's currently like past 10 and I'm having breakfast. Potato and eggs. Here's some. So how did your Christmas go? Was it interesting? You know? Just tell me in the comment section. How did your Christmas celebration go? Mine was very chill. I was at home. Just chilled with family. That was it, yeah. But okay. I'll see you guys when I get home. I need to go home and put my space in order because I feel my mind is very clustered. Even though my space is not necessarily clustered, but it's not organized. Like I need it to be organized. I need it to be in place. But yeah, I'll see you guys at the other side when I'm home. Bye. I am home, obviously. You guys, I'm trying to change my region on my iPhone. I have watched nothing less than 10 YouTube videos trying to search for how I can change my region. So the issue apparently is that I have an active subscription, which is iTunes. Please don't forget to like this video and drop a comment. Also subscribe if you are yet to. I'll see you guys soon. Bye. Ladies and gentlemen, good morning. I woke up minutes ago. I woke up like maybe an hour ago. But I'm just probably getting out of bed. So my voice sounds husky. Yeah, how is everyone doing? No, I just want to print out some documents I need today, and I want to get my AirPods that I forgot at my friend's place. I've not been able to cancel my Apple subscription. Like is giving me a headache. I'm just tired. Please, if you have a solution, just tell me at this point. Please.
everyone. Today is Thursday, and Dupe just left my house. I was supposed to make her pancakes, but she said she doesn't eat breakfast. I just wanted to give a shout out to Dupe. I've known her since school, since uni days, and she has been a very good friend to me. I had to tell her yesterday, like, this is how much I appreciate you. Even though we kind of have the same personality, we might not talk for like weeks, and whenever I would talk, we just click and connect like that. But she's a good person. I don't know why I'm just saying this, but yeah, I just have to say it. You're a very good person and you're an amazing friend. I love you so much. At this point, if you have not subscribed to my channel, why? Why? Because you've watched this vlog to this point. Just subscribe now. Eh? I'm going for something very important today. Just wish me success in the comment section. I'm going to gist you guys later. I pray that it's going to come out successful. I decree upon my life that success is my portion. I decree that everything that I lay my hands upon shall be successful. God is going to crown all my efforts with success, and the hand of the Lord will continually be upon me. Amen. So I'm going now, and I just thought to pop in and show my fine face and my headband and my top is matching my top. I'll see you guys soon. I'm also going to meet up with Tolu and my mom today, so when I'm with them, I'll show you. Okay, I hope you're enjoying this vlog so far. If you're enjoying it, please give me a thumbs up and drop a comment below so that I can reach more people, since it's vlogs that people like on my channel now. I have to bring my makeup tutorials back. Yeah, I do.